Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 57th day of recording myself. Right now, I got some technique to Dio sir provide me some technique to practice that whatever I'm seeing, whatever I can feel, what I can hear around me. So I need to describe that. So let's move with that. And first of all, I just need to see whatever I can see in front of me. So I can see a bundle, I can see a fan over the slab, I can see lots and various types of book in front of me. There is so many copies which is used in study, and there is lots and various type of book present in front of me. There is two. My mother's planted these trees, beautiful plants for which is kept here, and in my house there is lots and lots of money plant in front of me. I can see that, and there is this teddy bear which is my gift, which I was gifted by my sister's husband, means my Jeju. He has gifted me this on my birthday, the small teddy, and I have a bouquet of flowers, and there is also a chocolate kind of a bouquet along with the cake. I was gifted by him. So in this room I can see also there is a kind of a showpiece, I can say, and that is the card which I have, which we have, my elder sister have ordered it from the Flipkart, and it is just we were finding something that because this wall was looking empty, and that was so empty, so we need to put something there. So she got this and she ordered, and when it reached us, we thought that it is going to be a plastic or frame kind of a, but it is just you can say a cartoon, and there is a painting on it, and the same thing is present there you can see in stairs room, but both the pattern of both the paintings are different, although both the pictures contain flowers, but that is some sunflower kind of a flower, and it is tulip. I can see that, and this is the mat which we got from the style bazaar near my area from the mall, and we used this when we was doing fasting of Navaratri, and we do sit on this. Now we use it as a footstep cleaner, and right now I am on the third floor, so this is all I can see here in front of me. And these were the two pots in which the real flower was gifted to me. And this is a mic, you can see. This is a mic, but this doesn't work. It is just useless. It is not working. And this is also a plastic flask. This one, all the small pots you can see, all of them are made up of plastic. And we thought that when we saw the picture from the platform on which we ordered this, it was seems like it is a big, it means it was looking little bigger than it is actually. But when we got this, we were just like, this is so small, so we just put it over there, and this area looks so cozy, and but we don't use it. We rarely use this room, and only we use it for just to to keep things, because where we can put all these things. And you can see this looks very nice, but we don't use it. Although when this room was prepared, in starting, when the sofas came here, and this was the look of the sofa was different before this, but when it's get modified, then it was looking so nice. And we do enjoy so many things, and we shit a lot in initial days when it was made, but now it is just like a normal thing to us, so we don't use it. But once in a while I came and sit here. And what I now it's I am moving to another thing, which is hearing. So all that I can hear till is now is I can hear the sound of fan, because the fan is moving in a fast motion, oscillatory motion, and it is making sound that I can hear. And I can also hear the sound of my brother, because he is studying and he is whispering something that I can also hear. I can, along with that, I can imagine what others are doing and listening. I may be thinking my younger sister she is just scrolling through her Instagram reels, and both of my sisters, both were, I think, scrolling the thing. One is on YouTube and another is on Instagram. After that I am going to do same thing which they are doing. And other than that, my mother is sleeping. She just slept because she has came from the she came today from my other nanny house, means my nanny's sister's house. She came here by attending the diminish of my nanny's sister, means my nanny's grandmother, but she was too old that I can't say anything now. Let it be. So I can, and when she came, she was so tired, but being tired, but although she was tired, she do watched the Anupama episode today. And as she was sleeping, and I told her, don't, if you are going to listen any sound, sorry and everything, if you are going to listen any sound of Anupama, you are not going to open your eyes. And she was just started to smile, because I was knowing when I am going to just switch on the TV, she is going to watch that. She liked the episode of Anupama. Earlier she used to do watch Dory, which is also kind of a TV serial, but the show is over now, so she has started to watch a new show which is Anupama, and that is not actually new. The show is new to her only because she have started to watch it recently. And I have also told you that what others were doing in my house, and my father is not here. He is on his work, because he has one of the day he work on alternate days, so he is on his work, and we all are here. And we had our dinner. The dinner was done. We are done with the dinner, and I am thinking of something. There are so many tenses. Where should I use that tenses? And I'm just not able to. I do understand what is tense, what are the kinds of tense, but I'm just figuring out nowadays that where to use that sentences. Although I know that present is used for present, the situation which is currently happening in anyway, but in that present tense there is also four kind of a tense which is just going out of my mind. Although I understood what is tenses now from class something I have studied in my school days, I was not able to. That was not going into my head. Although I was just doing ratifying everything so that I can do better in exam. But other than that, I was not able to understand. And that's all for today's. That's all I wanted to speak, and I'm too late today to record. But I thought of not recording myself today, but later on I decided I have not done anything today, so I'm just going to do this session. This is very necessary for me. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye bye.